So today, while we're waiting for paperwork and stuff, we are going to fix that cylinder. Bucket cylinder, it's broken. The seals are broken there, damaged. So that's a job for today. So we positioned them a little bit better so we can use the front end loader to help us lift the thing up. Removing the pin. You can see a lot of oil leaking. Some damage there when they welded it. Removing the top pin. I have to replace that pipe also. You can see the pipe is also leaking there. Have to catch the oil so you don't spill everything there on the ground. Okay, so we removed the pin there. We strapped the whole thing. Now we're bringing the front end loader. Dan vind ik krijg goed dat mamanja achter die klap, achter die wiel. Trek hem vorentoe, ja. Everything out of the dust. Stara, whoa. Okay. Okay. Come up. Beweeg voor. Daar sy. Ja, ro. Die tire, asos yan, yakula mamanya. Handbrake. Hou hom net dat hy nie swing nie, ja. Kashona. Of hy nie meneer dat hy bo op jou val nie, né? As hy wil breek, jy moet hardloop. Los hom net. Draai. Sakka. Vat jou hand weg. Laat hy nie jou hand vang nie. Okay, op po. Loading it onto the bucket. Kashona! Gaan 'n bietjie agter. Agter toe. Reverse. Reverse. Okay, sak hom maar. Ons kan self skuif. Oppas die ketting daar binne. So we cleaned up the cylinder, removed these bolts. They were really tight. Okay, so we've got the cylinder piston out. Remove the other lock nut on the other side with the Allen key. guys refurbished it. They put in a nut there, bolt, cut it off and hammer it over. So now we have to drill this out. Dit is een echt gedraaid. So we got that drilled out. Now ready to reassemble the piston. The rest. Just matter of replacing the seals. Just take note. Where is what? You need one massive spanner. You see, that's my hand. That's the nut. And massive leverage, powerful man, and some weights on the pipe. So we just need to move a little bit more so we can get the hole cleared. Okay. Okay, so now the hole is lined up. Now we put the goon in and the grab screw. Okay, here's the little ball, goon. Through the hole, followed by the grab screw. Lock this thing. This thing gets loose. That is up your whole cylinder. Of course your new cylinder. Everything is now complete. The cylinder is refurbished. Now it's just putting it back on its place. Okay, so now it's in. Everything lined up. Now we just have to weld there a little spacer in there because this shaft is shorter. And fix that oil leak down there. That's a nice weld. Okay, repairing the track. It's maybe 40 degrees outside, if not more. The sun is right up there. Look at the shadow.